Alright, the last one I'm going to do, because I'm tired. I want you to find a polynomial with degree 3. Remember, that means that the biggest exponent is 3. The exponent of the lead term is 3. And that the zeros here are -1, 1, and 3. Well, knowing that the zeros are -1, 1, and 3, I can write their factors, right? Because if it's a 0, it's also a factor. So it would be x plus 1, x minus 1, and x minus 3. Remember that these signs are the opposite of the signs on the actual zeros. Okay, so now they're like, oh, well, you need to write a polynomial of degree 3. So that's just like, okay, bro, let's just multiply them out. I'm going to start with these two because I'm lazy. And those are going to be x squared minus 1. Those are the difference of two squares. Or no, excuse me. Yeah, no, it is the difference of squares. And then we're going to multiply it by x minus 3. And then when we multiply that, let's see, we get x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times -3 is -3x squared. -1 times x is -x, and -1 times 3 is +3. And there are no common terms, and so there is your polynomial of degree 3 that has -1, 1, and 3 as roots. You can check that by substituting them into your actual polynomial. Maybe it will be really efficient that p of x equals. Okay, so again, they ask you to find a polynomial of a certain degree, and they give you the roots, and they give you the zeros. Just write out the factors and multiply them out. Super awesome sauce. Okay.